開飯啦喂! Hi guys, welcome back to Canto Housewife. Today we're gonna do a special series, 一煲兩餸飯, which stands for one pot and two dishes. All you need is your pressure cooker, a double stack steamer, and your knife and chopping board. So everything will be done under 30 minutes and it's perfect for a weeknight dinner or any time that you feel lazy and cannot have time to just look at the pot. So let's get started. Welcome to day 1 of my one pot two dishes series. Today we're making silky steamed egg, shrimp paste pork belly, and fluffy rice. Here are the ingredient list. The key to silky egg is 1:2 ratio. I'm using 1 part egg, 1 part water, and 1 part chicken stock. Add a little white pepper and then strain the egg for a smoother texture. Thinly slice some pork belly and marinate them for at least an hour. I'm using the Instant Pot silicone steamer set, so I just stack it on top of some rinsed rice. The 6-quart Instant Pot requires 1.5 cup of water, so make sure you have enough. Pressure cook on high pressure for 6 minutes and natural release for 15 minutes. Silky egg and umami-rich pork belly. This is definitely Canto flavor in one pot. Here is the ingredient list for day 2. Today we're making twice cooked pork and garlic shrimp over vermicelli. Layer 1 is the rice base. Layer 2 is the shrimp vermicelli and the savory garlic drizzle. And the top layer is the tender pork belly with doubanjiang, cabbage, and tofu. Stack it, seal it, and pressure cook for 6 minutes on high pressure and let it natural release for 15. Spicy pork and savory shrimp. This gotta be one of my favorite meals. Here is the ingredient list for day 3. Today I'm feeling a little fancy, so we're making XO sauce chicken with tofu and abalone with iceberg lettuce. Bottom layer is the rice and water as usual. First layer is soft tofu cube, topped with marinated chicken and XO sauce. Second layer is iceberg lettuce, shiitake mushroom, and canned abalone. Make sure you pour in all the sauce so the lettuce will absorb the flavor. Pressure cook for 8 minutes on high pressure and natural release for 15. Fluffy rice, saucy tofu chicken, and tender abalone. This is a complete Canto-style dinner, easy, comforting, and done in one pot. Here's the ingredient list for day 4. Today we're having chawanmushi or Japanese steamed egg and sauté chicken with broccoli. Bottom layer is the rice and water. Layer 1 is the chawanmushi. Crack 2 egg and whisk with 1 cup of dashi broth. Add toppings and strain the egg into the small container. Top layer is the broccoli topped with the marinated sauté chicken. Stack everything into the Instant Pot, pressure cook for 8 minutes, and natural release for 16. Now you can enjoy silky egg custard with savory chicken in just under 30 minutes. Alright, that's it for today's video. Comment below to let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!